Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am going to start chapter number 13 and subject verb agreement. Yesterday also we have done and I have explained some rules, and today I am going to explain rule number 4. Rule number 4, here I am taking rule number 4. Because up to third rule we have explained, we have studied that there is verb agreed. If the verb is agreed here, like singular verb is used with the singular subject, plural verb is used with the plural subject. But here we have to see what is fourth number. Students, you have to look at it properly. Introductory means I have written here introduct only, but this is introductory there. THERE. They are given here. Introductory there. How we use here? In some sentences, students, you listen properly what is given here. In some sentences that begins with the there. This is introductory here. In some sentences that begin with the there, the real subject is placed after the verb. Here you have to see properly what is main thing. Means in some sentences, once more I am telling to you, that begin with the introductory there, the real subject is replaced after the verb, but two of them agree with each other. Here what is we are taking, we are looking, means verb subject is coming after the verb, because introductory there is also used here. But in it, what is similarity? What is similarity in it? They are agreed with each other. Means subject and verb are agreed here. Examples you can see, children. With the help of the example, I would like to explain here. First number, just like here, there is no students. There is no students. Who is no there? Who is not there? Students. Subject what is here? Students. It has come after the verb, but this student is given there. So what is this subject is agree with the verb. Is here second number in the class. This is the classroom. Number second is there were pictures on the wall. There were pictures on the wall. So what is here? There introductory given there. Were here, verb is here, and pictures are the subject here. Pictures are the subject. But what are we looking? This is plural verb and subject is also plural. Pictures. So both this verb and this subject are agreed with each other. Number third, you see there was a clock on the wall. In it also, what are we looking? Introductory there is used. Helping verb, what is? Verb is here, was, singular verb. And clock is subject here. Clock is a subject. So what is this one? This subject is agree with the verb was. We can write here verb. Here also we can mention this is subject and this is a verb. But both are agreed here. In second number also we can write were is a verb and pictures is a subject. But both are agreed here. Both are agreed in it. Number fourth, you are looking, children. There has been a mistake. Means this is the verb here. Introductory. They are also given in it also. And what is mistake is a subject. Mistake is a subject, and it has been used after the verb has been, but this verb is agreed with this subject. Fifth number, there have been many mistakes. In it also, what is? There is one mistake, so has is used here, and there are many mistakes, so we use here have, means this is a plural verb and plural subjects are also. So we are using like this, subject and this is a verb. But at least these are agreed with each other. Now children, I am taking this one again. What is here? Introductory it. Before it I have taken here introductory there, but I am taking here introductory it. What are the conditions given here in it? We are looking that in while it introductory comes in any sentence, we use always singular verb, not a plural verb. Just a minute before we have seen, what have we seen? That with the introductory there, we can use both singular verb and a singular plural verb with the subject. But there is a condition in it. In introductory it, we use only singular verb. Examples I am taking, children. Number one is, it is cold today. What is? It is cold today. We write here, it is cold today. Number two, we can write, children, it is it was 9:30 at that time. It was 9:30 at that time. We write like this. Number three, I am taking number three also, children. In number three, it has been a mistake. It has been a mistake. Next number also we can take here, fourth number. It is raining. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. Number fifth we can take, it was a dangerous occurring, means accident. It was a dangerous accident. We can write here like these examples here. What are we getting in all five sentences? Just like number one, with this condition also we know. It with the it introductory is always, means what is here always used followed by singular verb. Means whenever introductory it comes in a sentence, we always only first means singular verb, not a plural verb. Examples also given here. It is cold today. What is here? cold is representing here as a singular number, and is verb is coming, this is a singular number, and here also watch is verb is singular number, and time is also singular number. Here has also given singular verb, and mistake is a singular subject, and is here. Now we are getting singular verb, and raining, there is a verb is also given, it is raining heavily, it is singular verb, agreed with it, and it was a singular verb, and accident is a singular. So in every conditions when introductory it comes in a sentence, we use what is, only we use singular verb with the subject. Is it clear, students? I hope it is clear. Now students, I am taking here next one. What is given if the subject consists of two or more singular nouns with it? Means there are two or more singular nouns and are pronouns, and joined by and adjective, means joining word, means conjunctions. It takes a plural verb. It takes a plural verb, not a singular verb. Just like I am giving to you here example. Number one is Rekha and what is Rekha and Madhu are sisters. We can write here Rekha and Madhu are sisters. Rekha and Madhu are sisters. We can write here Rekha and Madhu are sisters. Number two, we can take here another example. He and I were present. He and I were present. I were present in the concert. Present in the meeting also we can write here MEETING, in the meeting. Number third, I can take here, children, you have to see in third number also given fire and water do not agree. Fire and water do not agree. Do not agree. Like this we write here. So what are we looking in all three examples? Just like there is given here, if two subjects are given there, any subject is consisting two or more singular and pronouns. So joined by and these are connecting with the and, it takes a plural verb. Just like example Rekha and Madhu, these both are singular nouns, and connected with the and. But here we use our singular plural verb here. In second number, he and I, both are singular, but there is what is here, plural verb is used here because these are connected with the and. And next third number, fire and water do not agree. Means fire singular number, water is also singular number, but they are combined by joined by and there is a do helping verb is used, not a does. So students, I am taking only three rules, and this is most important to understand by you. So I am not taking more than it. I hope you are able to understand, and we will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.